What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Yo, excuse all this noise in the background. Anyways, I got some more information for y'all. I know a lot of y'all right now look for manufacturers. Well, a while back, maybe like years ago, I had saved this manufacturer in my PC under my bookmarks, and I totally forgot all about them. Never had the opportunity to use them. So I was going through my bookmarks, and I found them. All right, now we're gonna go over to my PC. We're gonna see what they got. We're gonna see what they have to offer. And you never know. Maybe this could be a plug for you guys. Maybe it could be a plug for me. But before I get into that though, what y'all think I'm about to tell you? Come on, let me hear it. What you think I'm about to tell you? Check out my intro. Alright, y'all, so here we go. The name of the company is called Keystarup.com. Alright, so this is their main website. As you can see up here, they have a phone number, they have email, their address. It looks like, you know, they're based out of China. Xixi City, Fuwan Province, China. All right, now don't kill the messenger, y'all. I'm just gonna keep it funky with y'all. When it comes to, you know, foreign manufacturers, I can honestly say I've had the best experience with the manufacturers out of China, outside of you know, the other ones that I use within the United States. Pakistan, I get a lot of people from Pakistan wanting to do business with me all the time. But they're very, very aggressive and just, like, honestly freaking annoying. And I feel like the quality isn't as good as the quality from the manufacturers in China. All right, so let me stop that spiel. Now let's just scroll through some of the things they have on their website. Here's the home page. Let's go to their overview real quick and see, you know, what they have to offer before we even start, you know, diving into the actual products. Okay, let's just scroll down. Okay, looks like they got a few YouTube videos, basically probably showing what they do. We're not gonna click on those at this time. Y'all can go ahead and click on those when y'all have the opportunity to, if you decide to, you know, check them out. Okay. Alright, so let's just read some of this. Looks like they've been in business for over 10 years. Okay. Got some pictures here. Most likely this is the staff. Okay. Let's get up out of here. Let's go to the what we do. Okay. This page says, number one, we collaborate. So we work closely with our customers to meet their individual needs. Our individual teams and experts work closely with customers, assessing their needs and using market research, retail and fashion trends, forecasts, and initiative technology to design the right supply chains to deliver their products. Number two, we're innovative, original design manufacturer. Whether customers come to us with a specific direction or need our help in conceptualizing their products, our creative teams are there every step of the way. Between brainstorming, designing, and prototyping, we make sure the vision becomes reality. We also are innovative in designing the best supply chain solutions to optimizing pricing, quality, quantity, and delivery of products, enhancing speed to the market. Now listen, that's something important. Like I know I touched on this in the past. Like if you can present any type of artwork, you know, with to these manufacturers with detailed instructions. Most likely they're gonna end up banging the product out for you. Get a sample made. You take it from there if you want a bulk order. But then, like they just mentioned in this paragraph here, if you give them an idea and you don't submit any artwork, they could potentially draw something up for you, and you guys just take it from there. Now that's a key. That's a major key right there. If you're not real, hands-on with any of your artwork, if you're not really into designing and stuff like that, I try to show you guys how to design simple things on CADWorks Live. But if you still can't understand it, here's an opportunity where you can submit some of your ideas to this company, and they could potentially come up with something for you. Okay. Number 3, we develop products and customize services for our customers. We can make samples according to customers' design. See, there you go. Before the production to help sell it, which includes all correct samples, the fabric quality, print quality, label as well on your logo tag. That's exactly what you're looking for if you're trying to build a brand. You want everything just as they just stated. You don't want to be using, other people's tags on your brand if you're trying to take it to that next level. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna get out of here. That's enough about that. I know y'all want to see exactly some pictures of some of the work that they done, so let's try to see if we can find something. All right, let's go to the main products. So once you click on main products, it says they got board shorts, swimwear, fitness and yoga wear, underwear, jackets. Okay, now out of this list right here, let's start with the jackets. I like jackets. Men's winter jacket. Let's see what they got to offer, y'all. Yeah, so I'm gonna run through this real quick. I don't want this to be wild long. Alright, okay. So check out what they got to offer, and they got the prices right there. This one kind of looks fire over here. Got your nice flat flight jacket over here. Nice bubble. I'm already liking what I see. Okay. Got 5 pages here. Let's go to page number 2, see what they got. Alright, yeah. Yeah, they got some nice stuff in here. Prices look reasonable too. $13. That's per piece, but you gotta see what their MOQ is, minimum order quantity, for those that don't know what that means. Okay, so I'm already liking what I'm seeing. In the future, if I need, another jacket made, I might highlight this company and see what they can do for me. All right. Yeah, it's still pretty consistent with the styles and prices. Prices aren't that bad. All right, let's get out of these jackets real quick. Let's come over here in the left column. Let's go with shorts. Probably talking about like swim trunks and whatnot. Let's see what they got. If you guys out there looking to get some swim trunks made for your brand, let's see what they got popping off, baby. Alright, not bad. Prices is wild cheap. Look at this. $3.66, $3.90. Alright, we ain't gonna go too deep into the shorts. Let's go to the fitness and yoga wear. For the ladies. see what they got for some yoga pants. And that's a huge market right now too. Yoga pants, fitness equipment period, is selling like crazy. So look at this, ladies, you know. If y'all need some leggings or whatever, you know, some sports bras, okay. I ain't gonna keep scrolling, because I mean, you guys gonna check out the website anyways for yourself. Alright, now let's go down to swimwear. Check out some bikinis once again for the ladies. Alright, see what they got. Ooh, nice bikinis, you know. Yeah, ladies like that. Let me know if you like what you see. Leave it in the comments. Before this video ends, man, y'all know y'all gotta hit that thumbs up. Y'all know y'all supposed to be hitting that bell notification, so every time I got some more information, man, y'all don't miss nothing. All right, let's go to underwear, man. Who can't use some new underwear, man? I hope y'all ain't wearing the same old underwear y'all been wearing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years ago, man. It's time to upgrade your underwear. All right, so let's get it. Let's see what type of underwear they offering. Okay. For the fellas, okay. All right, so if y'all wanna, you know, check out some more underwear, I ain't gonna keep scrolling through no underwear now. All right, y'all check that out on your own. All right, now they look pretty legit to me, y'all. I saw something else. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show y'all. If you scroll down here, so let's just click on one. It says small order jacket brand. Okay. Let's see what's going on there. And once again, all the contact information is down here if you want to reach out to them. Like I said, don't hold me to it. I never used this company before, so don't be like, yo, Mr. DCYLP, how's the quality? How is this? How is that? Can you hook me up? Nah, I don't got no experience with them. All right, so, wow. Let's click on one of these videos and see what's popping. Low 30-second joint. Looks like they got a bunch of samples in the background, you know? Y'all think, look at that. Want some jackets made? Look how your jacket's gonna get shipped out to you. Small order. Ooh. Okay. What y'all think? Look like they got some Americans there too, helping them out. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. All right, let's get up out of that one. What's going on with this? Okay. All right. Everything is nicely packed, you know. Their own individual poly bags and boxes. The presentation looks beautiful to me. Ooh, look, y'all. Them underwear again. What y'all think? You know, presentation is everything. You know. All right, so let's get up out of there. Let's go to... Well, yeah, this might be... This look like a bunch of videos about men's underwear. Yeah, I don't want to keep seeing videos about men's underwear, man. But anyways, if you do, you know, check them out. Looks like they do small orders as well. So that's always good. So y'all make sure y'all reach out to them if y'all want to do business with them. Once again, the name of the website is Keystarup.com. That's KEYSTARUP.com. Okay. Let's go to news. Okay, this news. All right. They got a few things on their little news tab. I ain't gonna get all into it. Alright, y'all, so I ain't even gonna drag this video out, man. That's it. Once again, another manufacturer, another option you guys could potentially go with. Like I said, it's always good to try to find multiple manufacturers that you can use, you know, as leverage for like pricing and product quality, so on and so forth. You never want to throw all your eggs in one basket. You never want to take any of your hard-earned money and give it to somebody, and then when you get the product back, it's shitty. Okay, you never want to put yourself in that situation. All right, so once again, as always, I hope y'all doing great. I hope y'all working hard on your brand. Always choose your own path. I'm Mr. DCYLP. Y'all know what I'm about. And that's it for this one. Skid it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.